Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be going over is the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 waterproof. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you just got your DJI Osmo Pocket 3 and you're wondering whether or not you can use it in the rain. Now, just based on the looks of the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, it should be pretty obvious that you shouldn't be submerging this underwater. As you can see, even the SD card is exposed. But with the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, unfortunately to say, this here is not waterproof. So you want to make sure that you don't expose it to any water, mist, or especially heavy rain. Now I do know that online there exists some underwater cases for the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, but even so, I just wouldn't put this in water. I'm not going to risk actually damaging the camera. I mean, light rain, same thing. I'm going to make sure that I put an umbrella over it or I'm using it indoors. I just wouldn't recommend using this in any sort of water because you might risk damaging the camera overall. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to explain is the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 waterproof. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually explain this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.